Hello everybody, welcome to InfoScaters Technologies mobile app demo presentation. We are going to show you our apps. I have these two mobiles, this bigger one and this smaller one. This I am using for user app, this I am using for service provider app. How a service provider can be listed in user app and how a user can use the app I am going to show you. A user has to register by entering the following details as given in the sheet. As I already have my login, so just I am going to log in to my account. So I have just logged in to my user account. In the user app you can see home, booking history, wallet, offers, notification, support, share and earn. So these are the features which we have provided in service user app, where you can add different type of service providers. Different type of service provider can be listed in this. The service provider may be beautician, plumber, electrician, food, cabs, washing machine repair, pest control, CCTV camera installation, painter, any service. Whatever service you want at your doorstep, those all service you can register here in this app. And now I am going to show you how a user book his service through our app. Here, as I want an electrician, so just I click on the electrician part. So here I click on register. So here you see one service provider is available at my location. So whoever is going to register as a service provider, their all details will be shown on this map. So nearby people can be viewed here. You can get their details. If you click on them, you can get the details, name of the service provider. So just I see that service provider details on the map and I click on next. Here I get an option like selecting date, time and what the electrician is going to charge, brief details about the electrician. If everything is as per my rates price, then I will just select, like I have selected 23rd of August and I am going to select the time, like just the time 6 o'clock, the present time. Here I see if I go for proceed, here I get some questions. Here repairing home appliances or new connection, I just select new connection. I just click on that. Do you want home service? I say yes. Then I click on submit. Once I click on submit, you see your booking request is accepted. The booking request is accepted and the booking ID is 318. 318, the location, date and time, service provider details can be found in booking history. So this is the thing you get after booking. So the nearby service provider, he can see this. The nearby service provider, whoever is available, they will get the pop-ups. Whoever is first nearby available, they all will get a request, service request, that you can here you can see a service provider has got a pop-up. He can see the date and the address where he has to provide the service. So here he can have an option to accept or reject. So once he accept the request, before that I want to show you, like, you can see this booking in the booking history. You can see this 318, this which we have booked as in 318, this service, it is still in pending status. So once a service provider accept the request, you get the details like it's been assigned to the electrician named Madhu. So now Madhu has already accepted your request. So Madhu will have an option here in the service provider. You can see Madhu is having an option to start to customer location. So he can, once if he clicks start to customer location, as you see, like start a customer location, Madhu has clicked on that. So the service provider, the user can see now he is on the way. You can see here he is on the way. So clicking on that, you will get track service provider, an option to track a service provider where he is and when he is going to reach. Sorry. So let me show you how a service provider, as you see, user and the service provider are on the same location. If you just drag that, here you get both the service provider location in the same place. Same thing, service provider can check route map. He can check a route map. Also he can use Google Map navigation to reach the location. Through Google Map, he can visit, he can follow the Google navigation and reach a user place to provide a service. Here as you see, the service provider is on the same place where the user is. So if I just click on start button,
you have arrived.
Here I got that you have already arrived a user place. So once I arrive in the user location, I will click on reach customer location. So it is reached now. So once reached, once I start working, then I click start job. So here I started the job, and once the job is finished by the service provider, here he can click end button. So the job is completed from the service provider. These details you get in your booking history. As it says 2018 job is completed. Now payment is pending. So you have an option in the user, like you can just rate it and submit the rating, and you have an option to make payment through net banking or through your wallet. So if you having a wallet balance, you can pay through your wallet, or you can make it online. That option can be integrated in the app. Now the transaction is success. So this is all the basic features which we have launched in our first version of app, and we will be keep on updating the app. Hope you all liked our work. So share, give comment, suggestions, like. Thanks for watching our video. Here Manoj, the co-founder of Infoscaters Technology. Thank you.